so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! Look at what it is! Whoa! It's a giant red truck, and it's really dirty! Today, we are going to wash and get it squeaky clean! Come on! Whoa! Look at all this dirt! Ew! It's really dirty. But before we wash the truck, I think we should get it a little bit more dirty. Look! Oh, flour! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Look at how dirty we're making the truck! Okay, and a little bit more on the bed back here. Look at this giant scoop. Okay, one last one. Ready? I'm gonna throw it from really far away. Scoot back a little, okay? Bums away! Okay, I think that's enough flour. Okay, let's see. I think we should get it a little bit more dirty. And I have the perfect thing. Oh, yeah, hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Let's put a little hot sauce on the truck. But first, since I like it, Lord, this helps. Whoa. Ketchup and mustard. Okay. Whoa, that was really hot. Okay, ketchup and mustard. Come on. Here we go. Whee! Whee! Whoa! Oh, let's get some on the tire. Okay, let's do, oh, I have an idea. Let's take the yellow mustard and let's do a smiley face. Ready? It's a smiley face. Okay, let's take the red ketchup. Stay right there. And we'll make a red frown face, okay? Ready? That's so much fun. Okay, we need to get some coins so we can wash the truck now. $5. Okay, let's put it in the slot. Listen. Yeah! Jackpot! Whoa! Okay, got the money. Okay, come on. Okay, let's see here. This is the dial. High pressure rinse, high pressure whacked, high pressure rinse. Okay. Okay. We need more coins, so we can put it in there. There we go. All right. Got enough right here. Okay, are you ready? Whoa, whoa. Okay, let's go to the other side. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. It's like a water gun. Really powerful. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! getting really clean. Oh, it's almost all off. Okay, watch out, don't get wet. No, stay over here. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna go put this back. You stay right here, and then we'll wash it with our hands, okay? Stay right here. With that water gun, we got it pretty clean, but we need to get it a little bit more clean with our hands. Okay, look. Okay, we got a bucket and we have some soap. Okay. Okay. Yeah, green soap. Okay, and then, ooh. Here's some water. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. And our scrubbing items, like this, a towel. Perfect. Look, ketchup and mustard. Okay, put that in there. Ooh, this scrubby is for the tires and the wheels. And this one, whoa, whoa. This one's for the top, where it's hard to reach. We'll do this one later. Okay, but first, okay, come on. Okay, oh, that bucket of water is so heavy. Okay, whoa. Okay, here we go. Take the rag and start to wash it like this. Okay, get a little bit more soap on it. Look at this, come on. Look how soapy the water is. Wow, okay. Let's go like this. Yeah, yeah. We gotta clean all of the yellow and the red off because there's a lot of ketchup and mustard. Ooh, there's some more right here. Watch this, ready? Okay, there we go. Okay, and ooh, come back to the back. Whoa, whoa, this needs some cleaning. Let's take the scrubby. Scrub, 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 scrub. I like cleaning trucks and cars. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, there we go. Okay, that is pretty clean. Now we just need to spray it one more time. But first, oh, remember the really high one? Let's go get it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that sponge. Come on. Put it in the soapy water. And, whoa, let's take it to the top. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. So tall up there. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think we knocked everything loose. So, last thing we gotta do is spray it down one last time. Whoa! Okay, we need to spray the truck down one last time. Whoa, okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Let's get the tire over here. Oh. Whoa! Okay, now that the truck is really clean, I wanted to say, hey, make sure you don't get any grown-up's vehicle dirty on purpose like we did. We only did that for this video because we needed the truck a little bit more dirty. Well, it was so much fun washing this big red truck with you. Ah! Okay, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Parents, siblings, grandparents, babysitters. I'd love for you to head on over to my social media pages like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because I have fun news updates, behind the scenes, and even free merchandise giveaways. Just search for my name, Blippi.